Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Ergotron WorkFit TL standing desk workstation and discussing some specific ways that it can be used as part of a home office setup. I've used Ergotron products for a long time now, and in this video, I'll be breaking down how this product can benefit you and what kind of features it has to improve your work process. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep working with hardware and software makers to produce these kinds of reviews. Also, if you haven't already, please check out my unboxing video in which I show you everything that comes with the Ergotron WorkFit TL standing desk workstation. As part of my mission to bring the best products to my clients and colleagues, I'm continually in touch with different companies that make hardware and software. When it comes to desks, workstations, and mounts, Ergotron makes some of my favorites. So I recently got in touch with a colleague at Ergotron, and she later sent me this unit to review. Before I get started, please note that I'm not being paid by Ergotron and that this is an honest review. I reached out to Ergotron because the company is a leader in ergonomic equipment and makes some of the best products in the world. Okay, to get started, this is the Ergotron WorkFit TL standing desk workstation. It's a solid unit featuring wood and metal construction. It comes ready to use out of the box and requires no assembly. As I mentioned in my unboxing video, it weighs about 60 pounds, and the user guide suggests that when you need to move it, that you use 2 people. In general, it has a really nice profile and looks professional on my desk. This is the black and gray model, but it also comes in white and silver. As you can see, it has a large surface area where I can put my monitors and anything else that I need to have close at hand while I'm working. It's about 37 inches wide by 18 inches deep, and it also has a dedicated keyboard and mouse area that's about 26 inches wide by 11 inches deep. In my experience, this is plenty of room for my keyboard and gives me all of the space that I need for my mousing motions. The base is about 34 inches wide and 22 inches deep, but you should probably have a bit more room for clearance around it so that you can position it and have enough space to grasp the handles. The best feature of the WorkFit TL is, of course, its ability to go up and down. To make this happen, all you need to do is grasp these 2 handles on the sides and then release them at your desired height. When fully collapsed, the unit is about 5 inches tall, and it goes up to a maximum height of about 20 inches. As you can see, this adjustment process is fast and easy, and there are many positions between the fully collapsed and fully open modes. If you were using my workstation and you were taller than me or shorter than me, or using a different kind of chair, you could easily adjust the height to where it's comfortable for you. For places where multiple different people are using a single workstation throughout the day, this is a really great feature because it means that the workstation will be comfortable for everyone. For people who are working at home, the WorkFit TL makes it really easy to do more work while standing and helps keep your working space clean by providing a dedicated space for your monitors, keyboard, and mouse. Okay, so there you have it. That's my review of the Ergotron WorkFit TL standing desk workstation. I've used it a lot while making this review and found that it's another high-quality Ergotron product. By making it easier for me to work while standing, I feel healthier and have more energy throughout the day. The WorkFit TL requires no assembly or setup and is easy to start using. It's a well-built and stable unit that helps me keep more active at my desk. I think that a standing desk unit like this is a must-have for any office nowadays. And if you're going to have one, I think that the WorkFit TL is a great choice. If you're interested in buying one, please see my Amazon link below. If you liked this video and found it to be helpful, please leave a like, comment, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching. Once more, I'm Sean Dillman.